The Las Vegas Convention Center is known throughout the world where new ideas, products, and people come to innovate and connect. Expanding the Las Vegas Convention Center was a monumental task, built with the customer in mind.
These convention centers are big public investments, and they need to reflect the communities that are paying for them. And so it's really important to reach out to strong local firms, because not only do they have to help us with the design of the project and help us understand the local influences and the culture and the surroundings, but then they're helping execute the projects.
The collaboration was key between TVS as the national and us locally. And the local architects, TSK Architects, Carpenter Sellers Delgado Architects, KME Architects, and Simpson Coulter Studios, 5 architects coming together. It was a challenge, but we did it. And we did it through a strong culture of effective communication and collaboration to make it happen.
And that's really important for making a building that reflects its community and its surroundings.
The necessity for this iconic expansion cannot be understated. Las Vegas has been experiencing tremendous growth, and the authority needed to expand the old convention center at breakneck speed for a grand debut at CES 2021.
We broke ground September 22nd of 2018, brought it over the finish line December 21st of 20. It was intense.
From the planning to the execution to the closeout, it's not like anything that's been done before.
We had to come in from a blank sheet of paper to come up with a concept, get it approved, work out enough details, and by June we had ordered all the steel that's holding up this building, and the whole project moved at just a lightning speed.
I think the team did an amazing job at taking this mega job and just turning it into a series of projects within a project. It wasn't just about build a big job in a really compressed period of time. We broke down every risk, every challenge, every hurdle we had.
So there was little room for error.
The new 600,000 square foot West Exhibit Hall is one of the premier exhibit spaces in the industry, featuring a 270-foot wide column-free zone along its entire length. Of equal importance to the authority's customer base was the creation of smaller flex halls that, when raised, merge the flex halls into concourses and lobbies. The most dramatic and transformative program element is the iconic Grand Lobby, which can serve as event space in addition to a very clear front entrance to the building.
As designers, we work best when we're solving a problem. And if you have to have a sign to tell somebody where the front door is, you've already lost. What this building is about is making it easy for the customers. You have easy access out to the outdoor exhibit spaces. You have logical, clear drop-offs. And that's really something that no other building offers right now.
There is a distinct ribbon that runs across the length of the building, which is a symbol, and a physicality of movement through the campus. The LVCVA's commitment to making the building sustainable was a driving force throughout the design process. The building will be rated 3 Green Globes by the Green Buildings Initiative, which is a significant accomplishment for a building of this size.
We're setting a new standard in sustainability for convention centers. It's going to be relevant in the industry for decades.
The promise of this building is that it brings people together and serves as a long-standing economic engine for the region. The Las Vegas Convention Center is ready to embrace the next iconic chapter in the trade show and events industry.
The convention center business is the lifeblood of Las Vegas, bringing large groups of people to spend their money here in Las Vegas and have a spectacular time is what makes this town tick.
This new building is symbolized as moving the Las Vegas Convention Center from the old trade show model into a modern convention center model with flexible meeting space, open lobbies, clear legible circulation, mostly column-free exhibit space, first-rate truck loading facilities, and the new Las Vegas Convention Center loop that connects the campus across the old building to the new.
I am positive this facility is going to be the most booked convention venue in the entire country. And what that means to Las Vegas, what that means to my city, what that means to my family is priceless.
This city's ever changing. So when we sit here 20 years from now, the landscape around us, the typology around us is going to change. It's going to be completely different. But this building will still make sense. It'll still fit in. It'll still provide what the city needs in a convention center.